I ran away from the queen of LA. I wrote a song when I had nothing to say, like this one. This one.
Hey everybody, just taking a little boat trip. Mayfield Lake up towards Mossyrock Dam in the boat, hanging out with the family. Come along, check it out. Max Productions TV.
We experience death in life, we try to fly, we never let go. It's the only way, it's the only way. Broken hearts can love again.
Way up in there, just like this. You get up in there, and there was places you could see where people would camp. Big rope swing. Nice. Cool. Cool. Sun peeking through over here through the trees. It's gorgeous, I say.
This one. I climbed a mountain and it taught me to breathe. I saw my life be on the top of a tree, like this one. This one. We experience death in life, we try to fly, we never let go. It's the only way, it's the only way. Broken hearts can love again. Over they go, 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 over they go. And that's the funny thing about magic. You make one little wish and grab it, but they're still gonna take their half. Hearts are gonna break, so tragic. That's the funny thing about magic. You make one little wish and grab it, but they're still gonna take their half. Hearts are gonna break, so tragic. Shimmers in the dirt, shimmers in the dirt. If the gold won't shine right now, shimmers in the dirt, shimmers in the dirt.
I had one, so
Shimmers in the dirt, shimmers in the dirt, shimmers in the dirt.
speed limit on it. What a beautiful day.
If the gold won't shine right
Thanks for coming along with us.
shimmers in the
Max
dirt,
Productions TV. We're ready.